So this is another episode of Cooking with Salam, episode 4. Today we're going to be cooking some biryani chicken. So for this recipe you will need onions, chicken legs, you will need some tomatoes. It depends on how many family members you have. You will need some garlic and some ginger mixed together. You will need some chicken biryani, and it's a little spicy for little children. And I'm using some basmati rice, it's this kind. So my mom is gonna help me prepare the chicken biryani. So this is how my mom. So this is the onions. So I put some onions in a pot, and my mom's gonna add oil. So she's gonna cut the tomatoes the same size as the onions. So you can see that the onions change color, and now we're going to put some tomatoes in the pot. The next thing is chicken legs. I'm gonna add ginger and garlic. I'm gonna add the biryani spice. Let it set for 25 minutes. We're gonna cook rice. Let's put some oil. We're gonna put rice. We're gonna put water. Salt. And mix. So now we're gonna fry dried grapes for the color. It looks like that after 25 minutes. Now I'm gonna add more than the half of rice into the chicken. Now we're gonna let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna put the plate on top of the pot and I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna add white rice to make 2 different colors. Before I left a little bit of rice, I'm gonna add more. It looks like this. Now I'm gonna decorate it with some dried grapes. Wow, look how I decorated it. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of persil for decor. This is the final product. Taste it!